At this moment, I would like everyone to close their eyes. Let's take a deep breath and try to imagine a world where cells would have no protein. The world would be cold, dark, and dead. There would be no life. If you have even an ounce of compassion, imagining the darkness should have made your spine shiver with fear, your body shudder with horror, and your teeth chatter with distress. Such a harsh image can only be painted in a world with no Golgi body. The most crucial organelle is undoubtedly the Golgi apparatus. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898 as an intracellular reticular apparatus seen by the black reaction in neuronal cells. It is found in both plant and animal cells. However, in plant cells, it is more abundant and smaller. This remarkable discovery paved the way for the recognition the Golgi deserved. In a nutshell, the Golgi apparatus packages and modifies proteins to be sent out of the cell. By doing this, the Golgi makes your cells turn. The body makes your body turn. The body makes the world turn. But the Golgi doesn't just stop there. Like any resilient being, it goes the extra mile and contributes even more to the life on Earth. The Golgi not only helps out with proteins and proteoglycans, but it also makes lysosomes. Yes, you heard me. Without us, your body wouldn't be able to break down macromolecules such as lipids.
Wait, but I thought lysosomes were the most important.
No, lysosomes that don't function properly lead to death within months of birth. Lysosomes have many lysosomal storage diseases, one of them being Bating's disease, which accumulates fatty substances in the brain, causing vision failure.
But isn't the Golgi just a big blob?
Though the Golgi may sound very simple, it is the opposite. It consists of three crystinate regions, the cis, the medial, and the trans. The cis phase of the Golgi is where the substance enters the cell, enters from the ER. The trans phase is where it exits from the smaller detached vesicles.
Oh, I know about the ER. It does like really important stuff, right?
Well, speaking of the ER, it has its faults too, because stress causes misfolding of proteins. I don't know about you, but all I do is stress, thanks to the one and only school.
OMG, hashtag relatable.
While proteins are the building blocks of life, the creator of proteins can lead to the destruction of life. Traumatic, I am aware. But it is the reality of the wretched ribosomes.
Ratchet? Don't they make proteins?
No, just a small, well, yes, they do. But however, just a small error in the translation process can be fatal. While we're on the topic about proteins, let's talk about ribosomes and how an error in translation can lead to enzyme deficiencies and bone abnormalities. Diamond blackfan anemia is a disease that affects 5 out of every million children born and causes mutations due to ribosomes. The one and only the cell membrane, who we all think is the protector, and turns out to be the backstabber.
No, the cell membrane is to the protector.
Well, actually, the cell membrane is related to that terrible disease we have all heard about, cystic fibrosis. It draws in moisture from the surrounding tissue, and the mucus in the lungs becoming shockingly thick and leading to death. I bet you have heard of that phrase, mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. I mean, anyone who has ever taken biology at least remembers that.
Hey, I'm taking biology. I know that.
Well, let me turn your body upside down and tell you that the mighty mitochondria is not that great. Look at the irony that the mitochondria causes Leigh disease, a disease that hinders your ability to move. Enough with this depressing faulty organelle, and back to the almighty Golgi apparatus. Did you know it is the only organelle that receives, sorts, modifies, packages, and dispatches biochemicals for use inside and outside the cell? Well, if that doesn't convince you the Golgi is the best, I don't know what will.
Wow. It's like everyone has been lying to me my whole life. The Golgi really is the best.
Yes, I know. Well, thank you.